Grizzly, we offer drill press vices in all shapes, sizes, and styles, and we're sure to have the perfect vise to fit your needs and your budget. Our premium vise lineup brings to the table an array of jaw and adjustment configurations for ease of use. For example, our G5760 4-inch and G5761 6-inch quick-release vices incorporate a smooth sliding jaw with cam action lever lock to ensure the workpiece is automatically secured. No handle turning required. For those non-parallel parts, check out our H7557 3-inch and H7558 4-inch tilting jaw vise. The jaw pivots to automatically equalize pressure on the workpiece, and holding round stock is a breeze thanks to the horizontal and vertical grooves in each jaw face. For any traditional drilling operations, our precision unigrip vices are your go-to, and you can choose from the T10598 3¼ inch, or T10599 3⅞ inch, or the T10 600 4¾ inch vices. Our precision unigrip vices feature heavy-duty, high-tensile cast iron and step steel jaws with a prismatic fixed jaw for holding round stock horizontally or vertically. Next, let's take a look at the H7575 3-inch and the H7577 4-inch heavy-duty drill press vices. These heavy-duty drill press vices are low profile, allowing you to maximize your drill press capacity, and they feature a sturdy base lid for firmly mounting to any machine table. So what about those custom workpieces that require accurate hole placement? We offer the T10 440 precision 3-way drill press vise with 3½ inches of capacity. The T-slots allow for horizontal or vertical mounting to the table, and the steel jaws feature a stepped profile for holding thinner material. If you're looking for a vise with jaws capable of independently adjusting to your workpiece, you need to check out the T26 475 drill press vise with V-block jaw. This vise features a maximum capacity of 4½ inches and is perfect for holding round stock and oddly shaped workpieces. Grizzly partners with South Bend, maker of the finest metalworking equipment on the market, and is proud to offer two leading drill press vices. The SB1215 4-inch and the SB1216 6-inch precision drill press vices are made to the highest standards and feature precision ground and hand-scraped ways and hardened jaws. When you own a South Bend vise, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing your tool is extremely accurate and will perform as expected year after year. At Grizzly, we're proud to offer a massive lineup of exceptional drill press vices to fit nearly any job you may have. Be sure to check out our full lineup today on Grizzly.com.